Open the clamps and remove the pin as it will not be needed. Measure 5 inches from the end of the panel to the edge of the clamp. While making sure it is centered, drill the long screw directly into the top of the panel. Use the thicker rubber pad if 2 different size pads are provided in the box. Leave the clamps loose to allow room for the glass. Once the glass is in, tighten the clamps. The middle set screw is used to adjust the glass pitch if needed.